For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
One more reminder, everyone on the building side of because you either go to Spark or Surf. Do you want to work with that for later today? You're looking to take a tram back up to your vehicle. You're going to get back on a Midland tram. Magic Kingdom is open until 10 p.m. today. Our trams will be running for an hour and a half, 90 minutes after that. Which means our last tram will be at approximately 11:30 p.m. tonight. You want to airport tram no later than 11:30 p.m. And we're still about a mile and a half away from the Magic Kingdom, but no worries, everyone. We have two ways to get through: our highway and the monorail into our ferry boat across the Seven Seas Lagoon. We recommend taking one there and taking one back to get that whole transportation experience.
They look sturdy.
Alrighty, everyone, as we are approaching our one and only stop here at the Transportation and Taking Center. If we look at the right-hand side, you're going to look at these two red umbrellas. That's where we're going to drop you off. That's where you're going to get picked back up later today. Head back to your vehicle. Tram still belong to those that start and stop someone like that opens for and small children. Are being fully seated until we come to that full and complete stop at those red umbrellas. When you come to that full and complete stop, you're going to exit from your left-hand side, Give the full complete stop to exit towards those metal railings, towards security, towards the Magic Kingdom, to the left-hand side. You're going to